Today is the third day of racing here in Macau. For us was probably the best day in terms of conditions, although it was very light wind. This is our first time together in this boat, so we have been developing skills in the boat. So today we were a bit more loose.
So it's very exciting to be sailing in front of my place actually. And it's great to have such a fantastic team together. So we have people with different experience, different corners of the world that came to sail together here for the Macau Regatta. And I think this is a great event we should repeat more often.
It's a pretty good race. It's the first time for me coming here in Macau. It's a really good event, really well organized, nice people, and we can sail in one design class with 11 boats. That I think is really good. Actually, we are not doing bad. Now we are seated in fourth position. We had up and down a little bit, so we need to learn how to be more consistent. But I think it's a positive result. We are 3 points far away from the podium, so tomorrow we still have the opportunity to get in the podium.